Hi, this is Alex with OneWire. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Syncro on a macOS device. So for those who don't know, Syncro is what is called a remote management and monitoring tool. If you're our client and have an IT issue, you can call in or send us an email and we'll be able to access your desktop remotely to help you out. It also helps us monitor your PC to keep it free from malware and keep it updated. So you'll receive a link like this in your email. You can go ahead and click on it to download. We'll start downloading, and if you open up the download, you can right click on it and select Open when done. So once that finishes downloading, it'll open up, and you may need to install what's called Rosetta, which will just allow the software to run on your computer. This depends on your CPU though, so you may not have to do this step. You may need to put your password in to install the software, so go ahead and do that. And from here, we'll just have to click through the prompts to install Syncro. You can go ahead and click Continue and give it access to your Downloads folder. Install for all users on this computer. From here, you can choose where you want to install Syncro. I just left the installation location as default. Then you can click Install, and you'll have to put your password in one more time. We'll have to wait a little longer while it installs. And this menu will pop up. So Syncro will need access to both your hard drive as well as screen recording. You can go ahead and click Enable on full disk access to open up settings so that we can give Syncro access. Yep, and this will take us to settings. From here, you'll just need to check on Syncro MSP. And again, you'll likely have to put your password in. Once you've correctly given it access, it'll change to say allowed, and then we can click enable for screen recording as well. Click this prompt to again go to settings and do the exact same thing. Just give Syncro MSP access. Yep, and as you can see, it says allowed there, so we can click continue. And from here, the installer should just finish up. We can click close. Syncro is now correctly installed on the computer. And feel free to move the installer to the trash. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. You can go ahead and check out our YouTube channel to follow more tutorials and guides, or our website at onewirefiber.com.